Right, you've most likely clicked on this video because losing weight is on your agenda, but you're struggling. Well, I love my food too, especially heaps of meat. And I'd definitely be quite obese if I didn't know how to manage my intake. If you love your food, then you're in for a treat. Because in this video, I'll show you 10 practical hacks literally anyone can do that make sticking to a calorie deficit significantly easier. And the best part is you don't need to cut out all of the joy from your life. This list is designed to help you lose weight, even if you're a little bit cheeky. If you're new here, my name is Tom, and my goal is to help busy people who can't dedicate a lot of their life to fitness. If this sounds like you and you have higher priorities than fitness, which is a lot of us, then consider sticking around. Because every week I upload videos targeted directly to you, so you don't have to spend hours every single day trying to get fit. With that being said, here are 10 easy things that you can do that really don't take that much time at all. Number 1, zero sugar drinks. Zero sugar drinks are an absolute lifesaver for fat loss. They let you enjoy sweet flavors without the calories that normally come with sugary drinks. That alone can make a massive difference to your overall calorie intake. On top of that, they're incredibly effective at reducing cravings. A lot of the time, cravings aren't driven by hunger. They're driven by dopamine. Your brain is looking for a quick reward, not more food. No sugar drinks provide that sweet taste and the reward response without the additional sugars that normally come with it. This helps satisfy the craving, reduce mindless snacking, and keep you in a calorie deficit without relying purely on willpower. Things like diet soft drinks, zero sugar energy drinks, flavored sparkling water, or even sugar-free cordial can all be useful. Used correctly, they make sticking to a calorie deficit far easier without feeling deprived. Number 2, plate up everything you eat. One of the easiest ways to overeat is by snacking on foods straight from the packet, chips, biscuits, etc. By plating up your food, you control how much you eat at any given time. Plating your food stops you from mindlessly eating straight through an entire packet. And once the plate is empty, it's much easier to stop because there's no food sitting in front of you tempting you to keep going. This habit directly cuts down unconscious overeating, keeps your portions in check, and still lets you eat some of those unhealthy foods. Number 3, eat slower. When you slow down, you give your gut hormones time to kick in and tell your brain that you're full. This naturally reduces overeating without changing what you eat. It takes approximately 10 to 20 minutes for the physiological signals to kick in and send a message to your brain that you're full. So if you shovel in heaps of food in 10 minutes, most likely you're still gonna feel hungry. That being said, if you struggle to slow down your eating, eat with your non-dominant hand. You'll look like you've never touched cutlery before, but it will definitely help you eat slower. Number 4, swap foods. Nearly every high-calorie snack has a lower calorie alternative. By making simple swaps like no sugar cereals, whole grain options, or lighter snack versions, you can satisfy cravings without blowing your calories. Combine that with high volume foods like vegetables and low calorie carbs, you'll be able to eat a larger quantity and you'll stay fuller for longer. Number 5, make junk food inconvenient. Fat loss gets easier when the healthiest option is your easiest option. If your house is stocked with whole foods and junk food isn't immediately available, you'll naturally eat better without thinking about it. It sounds silly, but if you do have junk food in your house, put it in a cupboard that you don't usually open. If it's out of sight, you're less likely to be tempted by it. If you've made it this far and you're enjoying the video, consider subscribing. It's free and it really helps me out. Let's get back to it. Number 6, optimize your kitchen environment. Leading on from making junk food inconvenient, the next step is optimizing your kitchen environment. What you see most is what you eat most. When healthy foods are visible and easy to access, you're far more likely to choose them. Keep fruit on the counter, vegetables pre-cut in the fridge, and protein-rich foods at eye level. At the same time, store higher calorie foods out of sight or in harder to reach places. This removes the cues in your environment that trigger you to crave unhealthy foods, which works towards breaking those bad habits. Number 7, increase daily steps. At lower heart rates, your body has enough oxygen to efficiently break down fat for energy, while high intensity cardio demands fast energy, forcing your body to rely more on carbohydrates and increasing fatigue and post-exercise hunger. That's why most bodybuilders increase their steps to 10 to 15,000 while they're cutting. While cardio is still beneficial for overall health, and I do recommend it, luckily for you and definitely me, just increasing your daily step count will be much more effective with actual fat loss. Number 8, drink more water. Water isn't just essential for life. It can actually help you burn fat more efficiently. Staying hydrated helps your metabolism run smoothly and keeps your body in a fat burning state. Even mild dehydration can make you sluggish, cranky, and hungry, which, let's be real, often leads to overeating. By drinking enough water before meals, you naturally eat a little less, which makes sticking to a calorie deficit much easier. Number 9, eat low calorie volume. We touched on this a tiny bit already, but there are certain foods you can eat that are so low in calories that you can have a huge amount of them. Foods like zucchini, cucumbers, leafy greens, and popcorn without butter, you can have a large volume of, which signals fullness to your brain. This means you can enjoy bigger meals without blowing your calorie budget. An easy way to find low-calorie options is to go to the website of your local store. Search up the foods you normally eat, then search around for alternatives that have lower calories. Number 10. Meal prep. Meal prep is an absolute game changer, and it'll save you heaps of time. Pick a day, cook multiple meals at once, and portion them out for the week. Having food ready means you're never tempted to grab junk, and it frees up mental space. You don't have to think about what to eat every single day. Think of it as investing a few hours now to make healthy choices for the rest of the week. Alrighty, those are my 10 hacks to help you lose weight without depriving yourself of every single thing good in the universe. I really do hope you enjoyed, and if you made it to the end, you're a freaking real one.